Hello guys, welcome to Economics. In this 2-minute video, we are going to discuss price, income and substitution effect. So starting with the substitution effect, aka pure price effect. Whenever there is a reduction in price of commodity X, the demand for it increases. That means a consumer prefers a less expensive commodity over a highly expensive commodity. It should be very clear that there is no relationship between the commodities or between the goods. Suppose there are two commodities, X and Y, and if price of X falls, demand of X rises and demand of Y falls, as people will prefer less expensive good over a more expensive commodities. Remember, substitution effect is always negative. Dx upon dpx represents change in x upon change in price of x. When there is fall or when there is reduction in price of x, the overall price ratio decreases, which results in substitution of y for over x, and d by dx increases. Income effect, it is also known as the real income effect, because here we talk about the real income, not the nominal income. That means the money value is constant before and after the change in price. Suppose whenever there is reduction in price of X commodity, it eventually increases the purchasing power of the consumer. That means with the same amount, now you can purchase more commodities, and the result is that a consumer feels psychologically wealthier, and the consumer creates demand for both the commodities, that is X and Y, in the market. It can be better understood with the two different aspects. That is, in case of normal goods, the d by d upon mx, which represents the real income, the change in x upon change in real income. When price falls, the ratio increases, which results in increase in demand for x commodity. In case of inferior good, whenever there is income effect in an economy, that means whenever the ratio increases, the purchasing power of the individual increases, but he or she may not demand the commodity X because it is a inferior commodity. That is the basic understanding which we have studied before as well. Price effect is nothing but the summation of both the substitution and income effect. Whenever substitution and income effect operates in the case of commodities, it can also be termed as the total price effect. Thank you, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel.